This is the truth about trading for most traders.
This before I fight Jojo Siwa.
You're gonna fight Jojo Siwa?
Yeah, she's got a few inches on me.
You got sharp elbows, so we're gonna use the elbows, and you got bony knees, so we're gonna use the knees.
You were so smart.
My advice for you and Pookie.
Don't answer the DMs.
No, keep the DMs open, because if you don't act right, you know what I'm saying? What you do after that?
You spit on that thing.
Exactly.
This.
Alright, so here's what I'm saying. What I've told you guys is I believe most people are not trading to make money. People maybe invest to grow wealth over time, but I believe most people are trading out of addiction essentially. Really, it's just something that gives quick dopamine. This video that Supreme Patty put up has how many views and likes? Let's take a look. It has 124K likes. Very popular video. And very relatable. I mean, you can't do it on Instagram, but the real video, you probably would have a porn tab up too. So you got to be honest with yourself. A lot of you guys aren't really trading to make money. You're trading because it releases chemicals in your brain, like crack cocaine. You're a crack cocaine addict. I was not a crack cocaine addict, but I was a trading addict, and I realized it, and I continued. It took me actually a long time to realize it. I wasn't very self-aware. Later, I realized, damn, I was a trading addict. And later, I realized I am a trading addict, and I need to get control of this and continue to do it for a while, because you might realize you're a crack cocaine addict, or you're a heroin addict, or you're an alcoholic, and still continue. You might be in denial for years. Denial isn't just a river in Egypt. But once you're self-aware and you admit I've got a problem, it still might take you a while to clean it up. So the first step is awareness. If you are doing things like trading first thing in the morning, while you're driving, especially if you're losing money month over month, you're probably doing it for dopamine reasons and not to make money. If you don't even have a computer back-tested system and you're still putting on live trades, you're probably gambling, honestly, for entertainment. You should have a computer back-tested system, a risk management system, and you're following it by the rules. And if you're doing all that, then okay, you're trading for money. You're trading for mastery. You're trading for to grow your wealth. If you're missing any one of those, if you have a system and you're not following it all, that's not why you're trading. And it really opened my mind to how bad this is when I put out a poll recently, and the poll said, would you rather manual trade a back-tested system or have a bot do it for you? And the majority of people, I thought most people would be like, I would rather have the bot do it than me. It's going to prevent problems. It's going to free up my schedule. But most people said they would rather trade it themselves, which can only mean one thing, really, is like, you'll like trading. You quote, we'll get the screen here. Y'all quote, like trading. You love trading. You're passionate about trading. Even when it would be to your benefit to let a bot do it for you. And I'm not here to sell you a bot. The bot's not even for sale. Later on, it might be. We're working on that. But the point is to draw awareness, like, why are you really doing this? If you answered, I would rather trade the system than have the bot trade the same system, it's because for dopamine reasons. But you can get dopamine in so many other ways. You can get dopamine from through your phone in other ways with social media. Obviously, I mean, you're seeing it in this video. Let's watch it again. It's kind of hilarious.
This before I fight Jojo Siwa.
You're gonna fight Jojo Siwa?
Yeah, she's got a few inches on me.
You got sharp elbows, so we're gonna use the elbows, and you got bony knees, so we're gonna use the knees.
You were so smart.
My advice for you and Pookie.
Don't answer the DMs.
No, keep the DMs open, because if you don't act right, you know what I'm saying? What you do after that?
You spit on that thing.
Exactly.
This before I fight Jojo.
What we're seeing here is dopamine stacking. You taking as many things as possible to stack as much dopamine. And when you do that, you lose the ability to produce dopamine. The brain's neurotransmitters get absolutely fried, and then it takes more and more to feel anything. Or all of a sudden, looking at trading now no longer produces any dopamine. It just cortisol and stress. So that's when you close out all your trades because you shouldn't and log off. right as the market launches to new to new highs, right? Trading to feel good, it's like if you're losing, it feels bad. I'm going to close these trades. If I'm trading to feel good, I'm going to close these trades for profit instead of, well, the system says do nothing here, just let it run. So comment down below if y'all feel it. It's getting dark here. The sun sets in 15 minutes. I'm going to go walk the dog. I'd like to rant and ramble for further, but that's enough because there's other things to do with my life. But really wanted to share that with you guys. Comment down below. Is it true or not?